Today we're diving into a task that most of us would rather avoid, cleaning the toilet. I'll be honest, it's not my favourite thing to do, but it's a necessary chore that keeps our space healthy and comfortable. So let's dive into the step-by-step process. Now first things first, let's gather the necessary supplies. Now you're going to need your toilet bowl cleaner, disinfectant spray and a microfiber cloth, or you may want to use antibacterial wipes, some rubber gloves and a toilet brush. Now with your chosen toilet bowl cleaner, we're going to squeeze the toilet cleaner along the inside of the bowl, targeting under the rim and all around the sides. This will help break down stains and mineral deposits. Today I've chosen to use the brand called Duck Deep Action Gel with its pine fresh smell. And if you haven't already done so, put on your gloves and grab the toilet brush. Scrub the inside of the toilet bowl thoroughly. Pay special attention to the waterline, under the rim and any stubborn stains. Allow the toilet bowl cleaner to sit for the recommended time mentioned on the product label. Now this will allow the toilet cleaner enough time to dissolve grime and build up. Now while the cleaner is doing its job, let's clean the exterior. If you're using a spray disinfectant, you want to spray the entire exterior of the toilet and wait a few minutes before wiping over with a damp microfiber cloth. Now I prefer using disposable wipes for my toilet. Now remember to pay close attention to one of the most grimiest areas of the toilet, which is the flush handle and lid. Now don't forget to pay special attention to the back of the toilet seat. This area tends to get neglected. And you don't want to forget the tank too. Using your disinfectant spray and cloth, you can wipe these areas thoroughly down. These areas are often touched and can harbour germs too. Now back to the bowl, give it one final scrub using your toilet brush. Then flush the toilet to rinse away the cleaner and debris. Now coming up next is a video we might not think about often: how to clean a toilet brush. Now trust me, it's an essential step in maintaining a clean and healthy bathroom. I want to hear from you too. What's your secret tip for making cleaning the bathroom toilet less of a chore? Share your insights in the comment below.